A very good afternoon to all. I am Ankush Sharma, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today, the most important topic, the symbols of various electrical and electronic components. So here we will represent the various symbols of electrical and electronic components. So one by one we will discuss. So here the symbol of resistance. The symbol of resistance is represented by, so this is the symbol of resistance. Now denoted by R. Symbol of inductor. So this is the symbol of inductor, and inductor is represented by L. The symbol of capacitor. So these are the electrical components, electrical electronic components. So capacitor is represented by two parallel lines, and alphabetically this is represented by C. Now variable resistor is represented by a symbol. So this is called a variable resistance or resistor. Now variable capacitor is represented by, so this is the variable capacitor. Now a voltmeter or meters are represented by, voltmeter is represented by V, and ammeter is represented by A, and AC source is represented by, so this is called AC source, and DC source is represented by battery or cell. So this is the symbol of cell or battery, or represent here a battery source. Now another one, ground. Ground is represented by the symbol, so this is the symbol of earth or ground. Now motor represented by, generator is represented by the symbol this. Now bulb, a bulb is represented by the symbol, this is the symbol of bulb. Now galvanometer represented by G. A wire, a simple wire is represented by a single line. Now DC source is represented by positive negative terminal or DC supply. Now AC supply we have already discussed, this is AC supply. Now a cell, battery is represented by this symbol, positive negative. Now antenna is represented by the symbol, fuse represented by this symbol, this is the symbol of fuse. Now a symbol of crystal, so this is the symbol of crystal. Now switch represented by this symbol, this is the open switch, and this is a closed switch. This is the symbol of closed switch. Now the symbol of wattmeter. Wattmeter is represented by electrical symbol of wattmeter. There are two coils in wattmeter, current coil and potential coil. So this is the symbol of wattmeter. These are the name of terminals M, L, C and V. Now symbol of transformer. So there are two wires in a transformer, primary wire and secondary wire, for primary turns and secondary turns. So this is a symbol of transformer. Now diode is represented by the symbol. So this is a symbol of diode. Now Zener diode represented by this symbol. So this is the symbol of Zener diode. And photodiode. Photodiode is represented by these arrowheads. So this is the symbol of photodiode. Now diode, LED diode. This is represented by which reflect a light or emit the light. So this is the symbol of diode LED or LED. So these are some basic symbols of electrical and electronic components. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much.